Makeda. Makeda. Makeda makes a mountain. Makeda made marvelous things like bun and cheese sandwiches and every color patchwork pants. She made books about butterflies and even made indoor mud pies. In Makeda's house, there were old dried mud pies and much, much more. Let's go out on an adventure, Makeda said. Mama looked around. We've got adventures at home, she said. Our house is full of old things. We will clean up and out to have inside fun. Let's gather all the things we don't use, said Mama. We will throw them away to make space for a family party. Yay, a party! Yelled Makeda. She jumped and danced. Boo, cleaning, said Candace and James. They frowned and sat down. Makeda's family found old things around the house. They made a pile like a mountain in the middle of the living room. Makeda went to her room. Her teapot was cracked. The spout was broken. But she had used it for her mega doll baby tea party. Her yellow sweater was too small and had a big hole in it. She rubbed it on her cheek. It was still very soft, like a hug. Makeda was not using these things, but she was not ready to throw them away. Makeda smiled. She could use her teapot to hold her tiny toys. She could use her sweater to make a fuzzy toy cat. It is time to move the pile outside, called Mama. Where are your things, Makeda? I have found new ways to use my old things, said Makeda. James brought a box to the pile. These are my favorite puzzles, but I lost some pieces, he said. I have a marvelous idea, said Makeda. We can make new games with your old puzzle pieces. We all love games, said Makeda's grandpa. Daddy squared. Okay, keep the puzzles, said Mama. Candace picked up some books. I can use these old math books to teach Makeda 4th grade math, she said. Makeda frowned and sat down. Okay, keep the books, said Mama. Daddy pushed a bin over to the pile. These are old photo albums, he said. We can see photos on our phones, but it feels special to sit and enjoy a photo album together, said Makeda. The family sat and enjoyed the photos. They remembered good times. Keep the photo albums, said Nana. We are making a new mountain from old treasures, said Makeda. Makeda called Glory. Come to our mountain-making party, she said. Mama frowned and sat down. Ow, she said. What is this? It's a cat toy, said James. We don't have a cat anymore, said Mama. Let's put it on the pile. But we might get a cat again, said Makeda. She meowed like a cat. Candace and James meowed too. Mama sighed. The doorbell rang. It was Glory carrying a box. I brought old socks and buttons for the mountain, treasure mountain, she said. Yay, said Makeda. The girls made Glory's old socks into new puppets with button eyes. Then they did a puppet show. Should the others come in now? Asked Glory. What others? Asked Mama. I told our class about the mountain, Glory said. They brought their old things too. Makeda's family peeked through the window. Makeda's class was outside with lots of stuff. They waved. Yay, said Makeda. Mama sat down again. Then she welcomed everyone inside. They put their things in more piles and made more mountains. My bear is broken, said Mark. So is my toy car, said Yaharia. We can make a furry robot, said Makeda. My book pages are torn, said Lou. We can use torn pages to make a collage for the classroom wall, said Makeda. This is fun, said Miss Evelyn. She held many old pots and pans. We can use these old pots for the new class drums, said Makeda. Yay, yelled the class. Miss Evelyn frowned and sat down. Mama looked around at all the things and people. The space got smaller, she said. So did our frowns, said Makeda. And our party got bigger. Mama smiled. You helped us make new joys from old ones, she said. Everyone jumped and danced. And that is marvelous, they said. Thank you very much for joining me today in reading Makeda Makes a Mountain. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.